In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a band or musician site on Squarespace. Whether you're sharing your latest tracks, promoting upcoming shows, or selling merchandise, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to create a dynamic site that captures your musical essence. First things first, let's get logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, head over to your homepage. On the screen's bottom left corner, you'll notice your profile icon. Click on that to pull up the websites associated with your account. From these options, choose the website you'd like to work on by selecting it and then clicking Edit to start customizing your site to perfection. The heart of your band's site will undoubtedly be the music. To add audio, you'll need to incorporate an audio block. Click Add Block and then select Audio. By doing this, you'll be provided with options to upload your music. Click on the pencil icon and then the arrow next to Add an audio track. This will guide you to locate and upload your audio file. If you prefer to use SoundCloud, you can embed your songs directly. Again, click Add Block, but this time locate the SoundCloud option and seamlessly integrate your tracks. Music videos are another powerful way to engage your audience. You can easily share these using video blocks. Whether you're uploading a video directly to Squarespace or using a third-party platform like YouTube, the process is straightforward. Click Add Block once more and locate the video block, then proceed with embedding your videos to give visitors an immersive experience. Concerts and events are vital for musicians to announce and excite fans. To do this, navigate to your pages and click the plus icon near the main navigation section. Select the Events page and create a thorough list of your events or choose to display all the happenings on a calendar. Once crafted, you can showcase upcoming gigs through a summary block or a calendar block. Additionally, for a professional touch, consider using the Bands in Town block to display tour, festival, or live stream dates directly from your Bands in Town profile. Don't forget to incorporate a section dedicated to merchandise. Selling items like t-shirts, albums, or digital posters can be managed effortlessly through the site. Simply go to Products and Services and click on Products. Here, you can add all the products you'd like to sell. It's as simple as that. With these elements in place, you're on your way to having a functional and visually appealing band or musician site. Squarespace provides you with the tools to express your creative vision and share your music with the world. Take your time, experiment with different layouts, and make the site truly your own. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.